Hi, this is a demo video for artificial intelligence AI using C++, which is built on top of Llama library, Llama.cpp. It is built totally on my local machine and there is no server connection, and it makes use of this particular module or model. There are many usages of AI, especially when you use with C++, such as cybersecurity, server development, web server development, add-on developments, etc. Let me build this application and show you how it works. To build it, you just need Control Shift B. It's already built. Let me show where it is available. It is available under x64 debug. I built it as a debug version, and the executable my custom llama.exe is available here. Let us run this exe and show you quickly how it runs and what it does actually. I'm already in this folder. Let me run by saying write a simple C++ code to add two numbers. And this option I have mentioned as something called prompt. You can also give an additional option called file option, where you can specify the full path of the file path actually. So let us run this one. I will fast forward the output because it is a little bit slow. You see, it just output the complete C++ code. Let me give one more example. It is, write a formal letter about the status of the project completion report. You see, it has completely written one mail. Let me give one more example. This time I have mentioned to read a file. The file is available in this location. It is some file, and I will ask my custom application to read this file and ask whether it contains any sensitive data. You see, now it has completely given the complete picture of the file. Yes, that file contains a credit card number, and here is the complete report. It says yes, it is a valid card number. It has got a credit card number, and it is a Visa number actually. It is not a Mastercard number, but it's a Visa number. So, but it's not other numbers actually. So it has given the complete information about this file. And it is a sensitive file. Initially, it said no, but it is a sensitive file. So, what are the different applications of this program? You can develop an add-on using AI such as this program and attach it to the Exchange mail server, and you can verify the mail content, whatever it goes out and whatever it comes in. Based on those input the mail gives you, you can have the mail encrypted, or you can prevent certain information to leak like sensitivity data or classified data. You can also have an add-on where you can write the mail based upon the company status and respond to certain mails based upon the mail content, whatever it has received, and give a proper response to the client or some people. You can also have a dynamic programming, something like this, like when you are designing for web service, you can use it for many different purposes. As I said earlier, it is this my custom application was built on top of a library called Llama C++, which is a full-blown standalone application which doesn't make use of any remote connections, but it does make use of these models. Models is nothing but a brain of AI. Artificial intelligence's brain is model. They are the trained data in order for the AI to make some certain decisions. If you see I'm making use of this model, you can also have your own model based upon the corporate information, something like corporate model. So this model is make use of 7 billion instructions. It is quite large, and also it's not corporate specific. So when you have a corporate specific model trained by the corporate data, the model become little less. The size will become reduced. You see, the model extension is GGUF, which means GPT generated unified format. The earlier version of GGUF is GGML. So the recent version is GGUF. This model was downloaded from a website called Hugging Face Model Hub, where different many varieties of models are available. Each model has got its own purpose. Certain models can do certain things better on certain things like language processing or image creation. Certain things can do better in coding. So it is the responsibility of the developer, whoever wants to download the proper Hugging Face model, they have to search and then download from here. For example, I will search for this model itself. You see the model is available here. This is an open source Hugging Face model. There are also other websites available where you can download the open source models. Now I will show you how to download and build the library for Llama. There are also other C++ supporting AI libraries, but mostly I will this Llama library. I'll also show how to build it in Visual Studio in 2022 by making use of this library. Most of the other informations are technical. Those who want are interested in watching the technical stuff, you can continue watching, or otherwise you can stop watching the video. I have built this library on as a x64 static release build. So we need to do quite a lot of stuff, which might take little time. So create an empty folder. I'm going to download and build in this folder. First, you need to install Git. Since I already have installed Git, I will not show you the Git installation. Next, we need to open the Visual Studio command line tool in x64. Run this as an administrator. Everything we are going to do from here. Go to the folder. Folder is empty. First, we need to download the VCPKG library. So I'll provide all the instructions in the description below. It's Git. It will take some time. I will fast forward the screen. Now VC package has been installed. It is available here. Go inside the VC package and then run bootstrap. It finished. We need to install OpenSSL. Before installing OpenSSL, we need two things. One is Perl. Go to the Perl website. And download this portable zip, not the installer zip, installer version, portable version actually. It finished installing. Go to the folder, cut and paste it here. Unzip it. Unzipping is finished. We need to set certain path in the environment variable. Go to Perl pin. You see this Perl exe. Now copy this path. Go to this PC and right click the properties and scroll down and see for this advanced system settings and then environment variable. Select path and set here the path. Since I already set it, so I just changed to a different path. Now we need to install one more tool called NASM. Okay. Keep this one. Go back. Go to this website. You see this location. Release build 2.16.03 for Win64 actually. So NASM. Here we don't require any installer version. We just download the portable version. It finished downloading. Cut and then paste it here. Unzip it. It got extracted. Now we need to select a path. Go inside this folder and select this path. And we need to change the environment variable. Go to settings, advanced system settings, environment variable, and then path, and then here change the path. Click OK. Now we don't close this settings. We still need to change one more environment variable. Just minimize this one. Go back to the folder. Now we need to install OpenSSL. Copy this. go to the command prompt, paste, go back to the main folder, and then copy again, finish downloading the OpenSSL. Now we need to build it for x64 release static version using perl command. Let's go inside the OpenSSL. Before we build it, we need to change the GitHub branch. Initially it is loaded for master build. We need to change it for specific version, so you can check out for any latest version this command. Now we will build the OpenSSL using this perl. We need to run nmake. It finished building it. It took quite a long time. I fast forwarded the video. Now let's run this command nmake install. It finished installing it. Let's check where it got installed. Go to OpenSSL. Go again OpenSSL. You see this OpenSSL 3.2 static. All the libraries and hidden files are available. Now we need to set this path to an environment variable called OpenSSL library. Copy this path. Go to settings, run settings, environment variable, and then set this path. I already set this path. Click OK, OK, OK. And you close these settings. There is no need to build this OpenSSL. You can make use of the OpenSSL pre-compiled OpenSSL by downloading from SourceForge or some other websites which they have a pre-compiled OpenSSL. Now we need to install curl. While installing curl, we need to mention the SSL path, so which is essential because while building Llama, we need both OpenSSL and curl. Let's go and install curl. Follow the steps as mentioned here. I'll provide the instruction in the description below. Copy this line, come out of this folder, and paste and run. Next, this one. Let's download the curl using GitHub. After setting the environment variable, copy this. It finished installing, it finished downloading. Go inside the curl. Okay, the folder called winbuild. We need to run this command. We need to set this environment variable in small case. Yes. So okay, now we run this command. Finished building it. Now let's see where it library is available. Go and say it's available under builds. So you see there are libraries. This one, and sorry, it also contains the include file and the library here. Now next we need to download a Llama library and build using this curl library. So come out of this folder, and the following commands, which I have already mentioned it in the description below. Llama library has been loaded. Now let's go and see the library path. So it is not at build, means library is not available, but certain models are available. Later on we can download the models from Hugging Face and paste it here. So using gguf model type and then use it here. So before that we need to build this library. So let us build this library. Go inside the Llama.cpp. Now create a folder called build. Go inside the build. There are two ways to build this Llama library. Either you can create a solution using CMake and then open Visual Studio and build your preferred configuration, release debug or MT or AMDD or AMD. But I will choose a different method. It will not create a solution. It will make nmake file and then I'll make use of nmake and then I'll build it. Copy this nmake and paste it here. CMake is finished. Now type nmake to build the library. It finished building the Llama library. You can install it by calling nmake install, but I didn't do it. Let's go and check where the library is available for this Llama. The include is available here, header files. There are two header files, llama.h and llama.cpp.h. Go to build and go to source, and here you can see the library, llama.library. And there are few DLLs available. Go to bin and you see the DLLs. This also is required for our custom Llama application to run. Now let's come out of this folder. Let's go and create the project or custom project, C++ project for AI using this Llama library. Before writing C++ code, we need to download the models. I use one particular model. So there are two models available. So mainly I will use this model, which we need to download from the Hugging Face. So let's go to this website and paste and see. Or you can just copy this link, or you search for that model and download it. So already have the link, so you can download it here. Since I already downloaded it, I'll show you where it is available. Go to the downloads folder, and here I have downloaded the two models. Copy these models, go to Llama library, go to models and paste it here. Finished copy, and now we'll write the C++ code for AI. I'm using Visual C++ 2022. Let's create an empty project. Let's specify this name and name it as my custom Llama. That's it. I have already created the project. Let me show you. This is the project. Let me open this project. Go inside the folder and select the solution. And here is the code which I have already typed. I will not go much deep into this code. Here is the model where I specified it. You can specify the relative path or the absolute path. I have mentioned it as a relative path. Select the solution and go to properties. Here, go to directories, and you see I have referred the include folder, which is at this location. We have to also include ggml include folder and also the library, which is available under the source. And I have built this one under multi-threaded debug MTD. The same thing for release multi-threaded MT. So here I have mentioned the library. Let us build this one. Right click and rebuild. It got successfully built. Now let us run this. Let us randomly ask something. Tell me about God in 2 lines. Sorry, we need to go to the solution folder and run the command again. It finished. Great. It says God is a creator and a ruler of the universe and is the source of love, compassion, and forgiveness. You can use such type of AI supported applications in C++ in various projects in applications, networking projects, server developments, etc. Thank you.